back to the channel, everyone. I hope you all are doing fantastic. My name is Josh, half of Double T Woodworking. The other half is my brother, Tom. Today, I am going to attempt for the first time to change the blade on our Delta bandsaw here. Never done this before. I just broke it like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully you may find this helpful. Watching somebody do it for the first time, so you'll see any hiccups that I run into. But yeah, let's get started. So first, as you could probably guess, we are going to take this cover plate off of the side right here. Whoop. Drop that. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove the old blade out of there, like so. All right, while I've got it apart, I'm sure you can tell how much dust and crap is in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a bit. All right, now that we got the 10 pounds of dust cleaned off of it, let's attempt to put the new blade on. Now when you're doing this, keep in mind, teeth should be going down. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys a bit closer while I put it on. That way you can really see what's going on. Before I actually attempt to put the belt on, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this top wheel up so that it'll fit on. And let's go ahead and get it on here. All right, so upon attempting to get it on, you're gonna need to get it up under this metal piece right here before you put it anywhere else. Let's continue. All right, so I have got it on now. I haven't got it tightened up. I'm gonna play around with that a little bit. In order to get the belt in there, like I said, you're gonna need to get it up under this metal tab because it fits into 2 guide screws up underneath of there. And it's a little tricky. You're kind of just gonna have to play with it to get it in there. Of course, there may be a totally easier way to do it, and I may have just done this completely wrong, given that this is the first time I've ever done this. But hey, it worked. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up to about as tight as I kind of remember it being, and we'll give it a shot, see what happens. Got it on there, spins real smoothly, it's not rubbing anything. I think we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on, we'll plug it in and give it a shot, fingers crossed. I believe we're good to go. Got the cover back on, got it plugged in. I'm gonna give it a shot here. We'll just turn it on, won't cut anything yet. All right, let's give it a shot cutting something now. Got a scrap piece of pallet board here. I'm sure not every bandsaw is the same, but hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know down in the comments. Stick around for more.